Hey beautiful friend, I have a stunning beginner-friendly shawl pattern for you today named Teal Tenacity. This is a squishy, cuddly triangle shawl with beautiful fringe, and I hope the name reminds you today that no matter what happens, you can handle it. We used our dark Alexandrite hues in Buttery Worsted. It's a soft, squishably delicious, hand-dyed Superwash Merino Wool in dark teals and magical purples. What's not to love? You can download the pattern and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. In the pattern, you're gonna find all the details like hook sizes and the color changes to get that gorgeous gradient. And while you're there on the site, be sure to sign up for email updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. So let's learn how to make this shawl. To get started, we're gonna start with a chain 3, and you're gonna join with a slip stitch to that first chain to form a little loop. So right into the center of that loop, we're gonna begin row 1. So start with a chain 3, and you're gonna work 5 double crochets into the center of that little loop that you just made. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For row 2, we're going to turn and start with a chain 3. Then you're going to double crochet into the first stitch. Then you're going to double crochet into the next double crochet. Then work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Go ahead and chain 2, and this is going to form the center of our shawl. 2 double crochets into the next double crochet. 1 and 2. Then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then to finish off, you're going to work 2 double crochets into the top of the chain 3 from the previous row. So there's 1 and 2. For row 3, we're going to turn and start with a chain 3. Then you're going to double crochet into the very first stitch, and you're going to double crochet in each double crochet until you reach that chain 2 space. So that chain 2 space is going to run all the way down the center of our shawl. It's going to form the spine. So 1 double crochet into each stitch. When you reach the chain 2 space, you're going to work a V-stitch. So that's 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, then chain 2, and 2 more double crochets into that same chain 2 space. Then to finish off your row, just go ahead and work 1 double crochet into each stitch until you reach the end. And then when you get to the final stitch, which is going to be your chain 3 from the previous row, you're going to work 2 double crochets. For row 4, you're going to turn and start with a chain 3 and go ahead and double crochet into the very first stitch, and then you're going to chain 1. Now you're going to skip the next double crochet and go ahead and work a double crochet into the next stitch. Then you're just going to repeat that till you reach the center. So chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next. And you're going to repeat that until you have 1 more double crochet before your chain 2 space. Go ahead and work a chain 1 and skip that double crochet and work a V-stitch again into this chain 2 space. So a V-stitch again is 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, a chain 2, and then 2 double crochets. Now we're going to walk down the other side of our shawl, so chain 1, skip the next double crochet and double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip, double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip, so we're just repeating all the way down, double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip, and when you get to the end, you're just going to work 2 double crochets into the top of the chain 3 space from the previous row. For row 5, you're going to go ahead and turn and start with a chain 3 and go ahead and double crochet into that very first stitch. Then you're going to chain 1, skip the next double crochet, and you're going to double crochet into the chain 1 space. And you're just going to continue repeating that across to the center. So chain 1, double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into the next chain 1 space. And when you get over towards the center and you've just got those 2 double crochets before the chain 2 space, go ahead and chain 1, skip the next double crochet into the next, and then you're going to work a V-stitch into the chain 2 space. So that's 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets all into that chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Then go ahead and double crochet into the next double crochet. Then you're going to repeat chain 1, skip the next double crochet, and double crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next double crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 1. So you just continue repeating that. Double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, until you reach the end. And when you get all the way down and you've just got these last 2 double crochets, go ahead and chain 1, skip the next double crochet and work 2 double crochets into the top of that chain 3. 1 and 2. For row 6, we're going to turn and go ahead and start with a chain 3 and double crochet into the very first stitch. Then you're going to repeat across chain 1, skip the next double crochet and double crochet into the chain 1 space. So just like the previous row, chain 1, skip the next double crochet and double crochet into the chain 1 space. And we're going to continue working that until we are 3 stitches before our center chain 2 space. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So here we are. When you've got these 3 double crochets before you're at your center, you're going to go ahead and chain 1, skip that next double crochet and double crochet into the next one. Then chain 1, skip the next double crochet and V-stitch into that chain 2 space. And again, the V-stitch is 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets, all into that chain 2 space. Now we're going to chain 1 and skip the next double crochet and then double crochet into the next one. Then chain 1, skip the next double crochet into the next chain 1 space. And again, you just continue repeating that until you reach the end. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, all the way down to the end. And when you've got just 2 double crochets left, you're going to chain 1, skip the next double crochet, and work 2 double crochets into the top of the final one, which of course is your turning chain 3. So 1 and 2. For row 7, it's basically the same as row 3. You're just going to work your double crochets, 1 each into each double crochet and into each chain 1 space along. For rows 8 and 9, you're just going to repeat row 3. Then for rows 10, 11, and 12, you're just going to repeat rows 4, 5, and 6. Then you just repeat rows 7 through 12 until the shawl is the length that you like. And if you like, you can add a finishing row of half double crochets. When you get to the center, just work 2 half double crochets, chain 2, 2 half double crochets into that chain 2 space. And then of course, if you like, you can leave it like this, or you can add some beautiful fringe, and you can check out our video on how to do that if you'd like. And when you're finished, you're going to have this gorgeous shawl to squish and squeeze and to remind you how amazing you are. You took a hook and some string and made this stunning work of art. That's so incredible. Have a stupendous day, my friend, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!